Welcome to BLVD.com. I am Dan, the wheelchair van man, and today we've got a Honda CRV in that we had just installed a set of sure grip electronic hand controls. Let's take a look at these here. This here is a 2024 CRV. Once you'll notice with these, like with many of the controls, when they're electronic, we do not have any accelerator rod going down over on the right hand side. We have our handle going down, specifically brake pedal, but as we do our accelerator, there is no rod over there because this has got the electronic version with this sensor right here. What makes this hand control awesome is that this is great for both drivers that need the controls, but also if someone else is going to drive the vehicle, they can operate this vehicle absolutely no differently. As we start the vehicle and show you the operation, when the vehicle starts, we're going to have a power button that's going to blink approximately for 30 seconds. So right now it's in OEM mode, meaning the original pedals are in function. If I press this one time, that light becomes solid blue, and at that point, this lever is active, controlling our acceleration. When this hand control is on, we still have our brake, but the OEM foot pedal on the floor is deactivated. Now, if we want to turn the hand control off for another user that doesn't need the control, we'll press this button 3 consecutive times. 1, 2, 3. Now the hand control is turned off. We have no acceleration happening from our control. And if we come back down to the foot feed down below, now that's activating our accelerator. What's really beneficial about the sure grip electronic hand controls is not only the additional leg room, because as we have mechanicals, we would have a rod that's actually coming down from this end, going down to that gas pedal, but just the ability to turn these controls on and off for other drivers makes them second to none. If you're looking for a set of hand controls on your Honda CRV or any other model, in the description, I have a link to BLVD.com. Find a dealer near you, confirm your application, and give you a price quote in a matter of seconds. If you have questions regarding this video, please post in the comments below.